Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, this testimony is about deadliest crime of Vatican type Holocaust Nazism, hell crucifixion type is Antichrist Lucifer, Holy Highness, Republica God of USA, is Jesuits leader, is Satan, Pope Francis only created abortion, miscarriage, and stillborn worldwide every day, forever, and innocent civilians, national governments, medical providers never knows it is deadliest Satan, Pope Francis, Queen of England teams only enforce Nazism, Holocaust hell process model of mandated abortion or miscarriage or stillbirth, all classification of crucifixion variations that directly damages brain nerves of fellow mankind worldwide. So civil justice must be served now and beyond is wisdom. What is public awareness? Do you all know COVID 19 plague medical teams of United States of America or medical providers are from accredited medical school or slaves to Vatican Pope Francis? I already conveyed all nations will only puke being aware of the scandal of the Vatican. So when Pope Francis says create disease, medical providers create disease. When Pope Francis says okay now create lethal drugs with side effects to create more extended form of or more clusters or more groups of or more subclassifications of diseases, medical providers provides medical drugs with lethal side effects according to the code of abuse law of Vatican is a proof of display how and why medical providers population worldwide are slaves and puppets to Pope Francis. So when medical providers of United States of America went to a accredited medical schools, signed abortion or miscarriage or terminate pregnancy or stillbirth is healthiest, how on the earth can foolish medical providers of any medical school as in Harvard Medical School of United States of America or Oxford Medical School of London, etc., can even shameful or shameless provide scandal of COVID-19 scandal of Vatican? I leave the choice to civilians to get the correct answer, and I know the correct answer. Did education fail humanity, or did medical school slaves of Pope Francis fail humanity and destroyed humanity? I leave the choice to civilians to get the correct answer, and I know the correct answer. So, I, layman's true civil doctor, only one doctor as of now in whole entire human kingdom as of January 2021, never went to medical school, displayed with proof as of January 2021 there are never medical providers in USA nation, and it is saddest reality, and I alone can step in, lead, and guide entire medical services worldwide. So when I said USA nation is happiest nation in earth as of January 2021 when being handcuffed by I am that I am, it is for a reason. Got it? And I was not joking, and I have proof of all scandals of Vatican. So as a true civil doctor, layman true civil doctor, I alone can provide healthy medical solutions, and that is why USA nation is happiest nation in earth is wisdom when USA nation is handcuffed by I am that I am. I alone can bail out entire medical services worldwide. President Trump and President elect Joe Biden of USA will thank me in infinite later, for I am displaying scandal of Vatican with absolute bulletproof, fireproof of scandal of Vatican. So I must be, should be the chief of police general to lead entire police, FBI, CIA, or and national intelligence services, Pentagon services, military, as in Army, Navy, Marine, Navy SEALs of each national military services worldwide, of our all nations across the globe. As of now, USA nation is a powerful nation just because of I am that I am, absolute rock anchored in oceans. So USA just wanted I am that I am now to lead the USA because I am the toughest of all toughest is wisdom, excellent leader, and can also guide USA nation in rightful wisdom pathway. So, public awareness and birthrights is, do you all know only foolish, insane, inhumane worldwide will abort or terminate or miscarriage or stillborn? So, do you all know nations must should never have abortion, miscarriage, stillbirth as of today, as of January 2021? So it is the deadliest crime for a nation to have abortion service providers, miscarriage service providers, and stillbirth service providers. So civil justice must be served now. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is deadliest venom, Satan, absolute monarchs, Lucifer, Antichrist, Pope Francis, God of USA, and Queen of England Elizabeth II only created deadliest lethal abortion services, miscarriage, terminate pregnancy services, stillborn services to destroy brain nerves of innocent civilians worldwide daily. And it is $1 trillion scandal of Vatican Jesuits Republica Holocaust Hell Nazism scandal enforced to damage human brains on purpose. So civil justice must be served. It can help when USA government provides immediate salary using direct deposit process for I am displaying all scandal of Vatican. I hope you all are happiest on being educated with wisdom, with birthrights, with my healthy humane standards wisdom process. I am aware USA nation is the happiest nation in earth as of January 2021 is the wisdom. Now, please, one more time, I want to keep on telling that please do not feel I'm repeating. Be aware in civil justice jurisdiction process, each crime is counted and accumulated for sign of closure to provide civil justice. Okay, so each proof is different, unique, distinct, and deadliest crime as a standalone. And I have to testify the scandal of Vatican with proof is a healthy civil justice process is wisdom. I want to provide another proof of scandal of Vatican Satan teams to USA government that Satan, absolute monarchs, Lucifer, Antichrist, Pope Francis only created Holocaust, Nazism, domestic violence of slavery and hatred and discrimination process of Vatican abuse code of law process model to mandate crucifixion type of called as abortion or miscarriage or stillborn to destroy human brain worldwide daily and civil justice must be served. I proved there are never doctors yet in United States of America as of January 2021 because it is educated medical providers from accredited Harvard Medical School signed of United States of America only signed Vatican health process model, abortion or miscarriage or stillborn services, which are classified as human brain nerves infected with pain, enforced as per Vatican Pope Francis Roman King Code of Abuse Law, and being with blinded eyes, it is the educated medical service providers signed off abortion as healthiest when it is the deadliest crime. So I'm true civil doctor, never went to medical school, and I am aware what is disease and what is never a disease, and I alone can bail out all medical providers world population worldwide. So I must be should be chief global medical director worldwide to oversee and lead and guide World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Welfare of Human Services of USA, all 50 states of USA and all nations is because I alone in entire human kingdom is aware what is disease and what is never a disease, that is a basic eligibility for Supreme Civil Chief Medical Director. So all nations will be happiest when I am medical director, guiding all nations in wisdom ways. So United States of America must provide me the doctorate title for public mental health service provider, and I can lead medical services worldwide in all nations. For I displayed scandal of Vatican, I must be chief medical director for all nations worldwide guiding medical services. Yes, Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks of medical advisors teams of COVID-19 of United States of America must should resign now immediately abruptly is the healthy human standards process for failed in doctor's job, for failed in being human always job, for with fatal negligence. Okay, so each department of health services, each hospital, each emergency clinic, urgent care facility in each nation worldwide must should pay tax free $500 billion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever worldwide, for it is medical services of United States of America signed abortion or miscarriage or stillbirth is healthiest with fatal negligence. For I am displaying all scandals of Vatican with proof to USA government in ongoing civil judicial process as of January 2021. It can help me when USA government provides finance aid, for I am displaying all USA government errors. Scandal of Vatican in layers, when USA government provides this enough salary using direct deposit process effective immediate, using healthy standards process to help me immediate, for I am in absolute finance crisis. And also when USA signs of customized job offer, I ask for the salary of 250,000 per annum for next 5 years and beyond, and I can quit early when I finish provide excellent patented design solutions. I must get all authority above absolute monarchs, and I must be leader of Vatican, and I must be leader, and I must be the supreme civil chief judge of USA, and I must be the leader of USA, and President Trump must resign now is the highest honor any president can get. So President elect Joe Biden must silently back off, providing a pathway for me to lead and guide USA. And I can provide organization structure later using ethical standards. President Trump and President elect Joe Biden will thank me infinite later is the wisdom. So what is more public awareness and is the breaking news tips proof is deadliest Pope Francis only created abortion, and civil justice must be served now immediate. So public awareness on birthrights is as of January 2021 Pope Francis only created abortion, and as of now Pope Francis is at fault, found guilty as in first degree murderer, homicide, manslaughterer, the domestic violent of type slavery provider, hatred provider, discrimination provider, and crucifies innocent for being innocent, because innocent fetus human population never knows about scandal of Vatican leader, Jesuit leader is deadliest Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist, the hell creator, and Pope Francis Satan only crucified innocent for being innocent is a patterns of abuse that's been provided by the Vatican in past 500 years and beyond. So even before 500 years, it has been the same patterns of abuse that's been provided by Vatican, and it is known worldwide. Okay, and that is why wild endangered species Pope Francis is disqualified to live in holy planet Earth as of today and as of January 2021. An evil Antichrist Pope Francis, Satan must get out of earth now immediate. Is a civil justice served to all civilians worldwide tortured daily with injustice of different versions and variations provided by evil Satan Pope Francis in different forms. So I only can bail out USA and all nations. I am native Indian tribe, and I only decide who gets to stay in the earth and who gets out of earth now. Each nation in earth belongs to me only. So USA nation is in bailout process with ongoing civil justice process as of January 2021. So handcuffed USA nation must should do the task I ask for without asking me any questions. This is a wisdom process in order to speed up the healthy civil justice process without any delay. So the civil justice must be Pope Francis Satan must resign now immediate, and for I am that I am displayed scandal of Vatican Satan teams to USA government. I must should be the Vatican leader now, and I must should be global chief medical director, as in layman true civil doctor, as public mental health service provider to lead all nations medical services worldwide, to lead and guide Center for Disease Control and World Health Organization, and I must should be Supreme Chief Civil Judge of USA and all nations now, and handcuffed to USA nation must provide the task I ask for immediate. This is a wisdom team process. So I want to one more time convey that I am born to save the world from evil forces of dark forces of Roman Empire and Satan's as in absolute monarchs. Okay, now public awareness as in birthright says, do you all know a nation must should never have any abortion or and types of any abortion as in Holocaust Nazi services? And so, when a nation have any abortion services as of January 2021, anywhere across the globe in any nation, now that nation is disqualified to be nation enough to be sealed and shut down, effective now for classified human endangered nation. Okay, so that said, do you all know as of now, January 2021, why exactly United States of America is at fault and found guilty in all counts of deadliest crimes of Vatican, and USA nation got all the curses of the scandal of Vatican, and United States of America is handcuffed to be sealed and shut down mode for with fatal negligence having deadliest zero tolerance abortion services scandal of Vatican process. So do you all know all nations worldwide across the globe is also handcuffed mode as of January 2021? So I alone in entire human kingdom can bail out USA and all nations nobody can. So public awareness on birthright is proof that Satan, alias Lucifer, alias Antichrist, alias Republica, Venom, Holocaust, Nazi Hell Creator, Vatican Hell Creator, Jesuits Leader, Holy Highness, Perfect Human God of USA, Pope Francis only created crucifixion type, abortion, brain damage types, Holocaust Nazism to destroy human brains of innocent civilians worldwide as a process of Roman Egypt crucifixion, slow torture to death, Holocaust Nazism process model. So it is a deadliest zero tolerance crime in earth, and that is why the civil justice must be served now immediate. So, evil, deadliest, Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist, Islam, Judaism, communist, atheist, paganist, Queen of England, Elizabeth II only created, zero tolerance, Roman Empire, crucifixion type, abortion services, and civil justice must be served now. So, all phases of Pope Francis worldwide across the globe are Islam leaders, fake Israel leader, and Dalai Lamas, Guru Nanaks, and yoga gurus, human gods of all nations worldwide only created abortion, and civil justice must be served. So, what is the civil justice as of now in January 2021 is Satan Pope Francis created abortion, right? So, Pope Francis must pay tax free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. For Pope Francis, Satan created abortion services in all nations worldwide. And Pope Francis must pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. For Pope Francis, Satan created miscarriages services in all nations worldwide. Then Pope Francis must pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. For Pope Francis, Satan created stillborn services in all nations worldwide. And region by region, popes must also pay the penalty, and that is Egypt Pope must pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Cairo, Egypt, Pope Satan only created abortion, miscarriage, and stillborn worldwide. Then Greece Pope must also pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Greece Pope, Satan only created abortion, miscarriage, and stillbirth worldwide. Then the Russia Pope must also pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever. For Russia's Pope, Satan only created abortion. Then Sicily, Italy Archbishop and co-prince of Spain, Andorra only created abortion, miscarriage, stillbirth worldwide. So Sicily, Italy, Vatican, Rome, Archbishop, and co-prince of Spain and Andorra must pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. Then France leader and co-prince of Spain, Andorra only created abortion, miscarriage, and stillbirth worldwide. So France leader and co-prince of Spain and Andorra must also pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. And Pope Francis must resign now, and I must become Vatican leader now, and I must be global medical director to lead Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization in all nations, and I must be Supreme Chief Civil Judge for USA and all nations to lead justice services, and I must be interim leader of USA, and Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name is Wisdom Process, and all nations will thank me infinite later. Then Satan, Queen of England, Elizabeth II only created abortion. So Queen of England Elizabeth II must pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. And ever for Pope Francis, Satan created abortion services in all nations worldwide. Then Queen of England Elizabeth II must pay another tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. For Pope Francis, Satan created miscarriages services in all nations worldwide. Then Queen of England Elizabeth II must pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. For Pope Francis, Satan created stillborn services in all nations worldwide. And Absolute Monarchs Organization, Satanic Forces Organization worldwide must be dissolved and sealed and shut down for human endangerment immediately. And then all absolute monarchs, kings and queens worldwide must resign now for failed in human god job, failed in king's job, failed in queen job, failed in absolute monarch's divine rights of God job, failed in holy highness job, and failed in God of nation job. And Pope Francis and Queen of England Elizabeth II failed in God of USA job when being perfect holy highness republica. And Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name along with customized job offer sign off. Is a civil justice served. Then Satan faces of Pope Francis as an Islam leaders of Organization of Islam Cooperation Worldwide, Judaism, fake Israel leader, United Arab Emirates leader, Dalai Lamas, Guru Nanaks, yoga gurus, human gods worldwide, only created abortion, miscarriage, and stillbirth worldwide. So, Islam leaders of Organization of Islam Cooperation, Judaism, United Arab Emirates leaders, Dalai Lamas, Guru Nanaks, yoga gurus, human gods worldwide must pay tax free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. For Pope Francis, Satan created abortion services in all nations worldwide. Then again, Islam leaders of Organization of Islam Cooperation, Judaism, fake Israel leader, United Arab Emirate leaders, then Dalai Lamas, Guru Nanaks, yoga gurus, human gods worldwide must pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times. 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. For Pope Francis, Satan created miscarriages services in all nations worldwide. Then Islam leaders of Organization of Islam Cooperation, Judaism, fake Israel leader, United Arab Emirates leaders, Dalai Lamas, Guru Nanaks, yoga gurus, human gods worldwide must pay tax-free $50,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. For Pope Francis, Satan created stillborn services in all nations worldwide. And absolute monarchs organization worldwide must be dissolved now, and all absolute monarchs, kings and queens must resign now for failed in human god job, failed in king's job, failed in queen job, failed in republica job, and failed in perfect human god job. And Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, along with customized job offer sign off. So, why absolute monarch Satan's created zero tolerance abortion, miscarriages, and stillborn? It is for tax mandate process again. Okay, so Queen of England too, Pope Francis teams must drink human blood as a form of tax daily. Okay, I want all the population to first understand the severity level of the scandal, okay, of Vatican and absolute monarchs. Only then the civilians and the populations worldwide will understand why each national government operations is collapsed into pieces beyond and destroyed beyond repair. Okay, so then that can help all the civilians to how to live with whatever all the broken nations are undergoing through with the national crisis worldwide. And all enslaved nations worldwide must should feed tax dollars that rightful belongs to innocent civilians as a tax to absolute monarchs daily. Okay, as a status report. And abortion services is one of the gateway scandal of Vatican Code of Abuse Process model to enforce tax on population with false prosecution, false shame, false guilt, and that way all nations slaves to Republica Satan Pope Francis Code of Abuse Law Process model can say to population, hey population, pay tax if you all want to get the national services. And it is the deadliest scandal of Vatican. So daily, all enslaved nations to evil Satan Queen of England must provide status report daily on how many innocent civilians aborted pregnancy daily per second in 24 hours time, and how many death penalty enforced daily, and must provide tax dollars also. So absolute monarch's blood cells level is dangerous to human kingdom, and they always only enjoys sufferings of fellow mankind with absolute fatal negligence, and must never be living in the earth at all. And the USA allowed true criminals, absolute monarchs, to live free in palace is the deadliest crime of USA. and that is why at fault found guilty in all counts of us counts of crime of scandal of Vatican. USA nation is handcuffed by me. So there is some more. There is more proofs of scandal of Vatican. So be patient. Civil justice wins always is wisdom. God is God always, all the time, is wisdom. And just be aware and be happy, being aware that the world is ending for good, because all the evil forces will be gone without trace. For I am that I am is born to save the world, and whatever in Holy Bible predictions is happening now. And then I also want to convey that I used images from online education services. So thank you all for your time. Bye for now.